Here's another weekly salsa tip. And this we experience from time to time, not just us, but many other people. You just finished dancing with somebody, you say, thank you very much, and you're going to be on your way. And they stop and say, any suggestions, any feedback on my dancing? You know, I'm really open to suggestions. I'm really excited to learn. And you get left with that question. And for me personally, I have a harder time handling that. My wifey, on the other hand, she'll be like, you know what, this is social dancing. I really don't do this. And if you really want to learn, you know, there's classes and there's privates and those sorts of things. This is not really the environment to do that. Me, on the other hand, I have a harder time doing that. Believe me, most of the time that's what I want to say. Okay? It's not really the appropriate environment. And it's not just us. Like, it's to people's peers as well. And Scarlett and I, we take classes, we take lessons. We are also very interested in learning. I'm not about to go and social dance with a variety of people and say, so how am I doing? What should I do better? How the heck should they know necessarily? If you really want to learn, go to somebody who you trust can tell you. Otherwise, your learning is going to be a bunch of tips from random people where it's going to be something different every time. Okay? If you really want to learn, find some people that you trust that know what they're doing and set up a lesson. What I also find is that a lot of people who say they're very open and they'll approach you on the social dance floor, they're usually the people, if you do give them a suggestion, they'll be like, what? I don't do that? Most of the follows say I'm pretty smooth, and then they start rejecting your information and stuff anyway. So for me, I don't like having to go through that, and then now I'm going to have to explain what I meant, and possible feelings might be hurt, and all that sort of stuff. It's just not the best environment. Not to say never do it, but use your discretion. I personally don't do that.
And just remember, it's a social setting, so just dance out there. Don't be asking for suggestions or tips. We're all there to have fun and just to enjoy ourselves.
Bam.
Bam, bam.
Brought to you by Blamo Production.